Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and I hope you all are doing well. So for today's video, I'm going to be making a brand new wig from scratch, okay, out of my old wig. So this is the old wig right here. I've had this wig since 2016. So I made this wig in 2016. I bought 3 bundles of virgin human hair, 28 inches, and the lace closure was I think 16, 15. Yeah, 16 inches. So since then I've styled the hair. I've done a lot of heatless coils, and but now I want something different. I want a lace frontal. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be making into this video. So I'm going to be using this hair right here to make a lace frontal wig. All right, let's do it. Okay, so since I've already taken down the wig, so the next step now is to move on to the cap. So for the DIY wig cap, I have a separate video showing you guys how to make your own DIY lace frontal wig cap. So I'll put the link to the video in the description box down below, or you can click on the little icon to your right there to watch that video. Okay, so to start, I'm going ahead to cut a little bit of hair out of the weft. Okay, so next I'm gonna take my little comb and comb out the first layer of short hair. Okay, so next I'm taking the same comb and I'm going back in to comb out the second layer of short hair, and I'm going to be putting that aside. I'm not dumping it, I'm just putting it aside because it will be useful for different projects. So I only need the long strands. Okay, so I already did half of the lace frontal off camera. As you can see right here, it looks beautiful already. Loving it already. So yeah. Okay, so to start, I'm going ahead to take a little bit of hair, just gonna separate it just like that. So next I'm taking the hair and I'm going to fold it over in order to create a loop, and also I'm making sure to have a short end and a long end. So right here I'm taking my ventilating needle and I pass it through the hole on the lace cap, on the lace, and then I hook 2 strands of hair, and next I pull it through the loop. Again, taking my ventilating needle and passing it through the hole on the lace. So next I hook 2 strands of hair and pull it through the loop. So I have a separate video and also a close-up video showing you guys how to use the ventilating needle to create a lace frontal or to create a lace closure. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link in the description box down below. So be sure to check the description box down below if you want to learn how to use the ventilating needle properly. So that video is really very detailed and close up. You can see everything clearly. So go ahead and check out that video if you haven't seen it. Again, the link is in the description. Again, the link is in the description box down below, or you can click on the little icon to your right here to watch that video. So right here, I'm taking my time. As always, you don't want to rush the process. You need to take lots of break. Don't rush the process. This is not a project that you will finish in a day or in 2 days, especially if you're trying to create a beautiful lace frontal. It takes time. And you can do it. You just need to take your time, take as much break as you want. Okay, you can take like 3 days off and then get back to it. Okay, so let's address the time this whole process took. I'm not counting the time I took in in taking down the old wig or making the DIY lace cap. So I'm talking about the ventilation part, okay? So it took a total of 14 days for me to finish the ventilating the hair on the lace frontal. That is because I didn't skip any hole. I wanted the frontal to be full. As you can see, the size of the lace I used is not that big, so it's just I did actually measure it. So I was going for like a 1 by 13 lace closure, lace frontal. So I decided not to skip any hole. So the spacing really depends on the goal you're trying to achieve or the look you're trying to achieve. So if you want the lace frontal or the lace closure to be full, then you don't need to skip any hole. But if you don't want it to be full or you just want like an average, then you can go ahead and skip one hole. All right, so yeah. Okay, so now that I'm done with the lace frontal, I'm moving on into sewing down the track. And also I'm going to be using the fold over method for today's video. I always like to use the fold over method because it helps to prevent shedding. So I'm just going to let you guys watch this, and once it's time to do the fold over method, I'll come back and explain a little bit. It's really easy. It's not that difficult. Okay, so we're back. I'm back. All right, so right now I'm just going ahead to flip the hair or the weft over. As you can see, I've already secured that spot in place. I'm just going ahead to fold it over just like that. So next I'm going to take the pin and pin it in place and pin the weft in place. Okay, so now I'm going ahead to sew it down. So what I like to do after passing the needle through the hair and the cap, I kind of use my thumb to press that spot down to kind of help it to lay flat. So I'm using my thumb to press it down. At the same time, I'm pulling on the thread, as you can see right there. Almost done. I'm just going ahead to cut off the excess hair and making sure to secure the end in place. All right, so here it is. Look at that. So this is the hair before combing it out. So right now I'm just going ahead to comb out the hair. As you can see, it's huge. For winter, yes, this would be an awesome hairstyle because it will keep you warm. But for summer, no, the weather here is too hot. So I decided to give you guys a quick demo on the non-baby hair versus the laid down edges. So this side, as you can see, I laid down the edges, or it's no baby hair. I didn't cut it. I just used the edge control to kind of lay down. So this is the other side right here. No baby hair. No, it looks awesome. So I can decide to style it with baby hair or without baby hair, which is fine because I created the frontal or the hairline following my own hairline. So this is the final result right here, and I love it. I can put it into a ponytail, I can wear it down, I can style as a middle part, but no side part. So yeah, middle part, all back, all of it, but no side part. I love it. I hope you guys do too. I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for popping by today. And I'll see you all in my next one.